Okay, hi students. Today we are going to start the division of algebraic expressions using the method called long division method. So before we come to that, let me just remind of what you studied in the previous classes when you were kids. Now divide 123 by 2. You will divide definitely in this way: 123, then here 2, 2, 6, 12, and this 3, 2, 1 is 2, and we get here 1. So these 2 is what you call divisor, this is called remainder, this is quotient, and this 123 is dividend. Okay, now I'll just remind something about the multiplication. So these are the things that we are going to use very frequently. X square multiplies with x plus 1. So how to multiply we have learned before. X square into x, we'll get here x cube. X square into positive 1, you'll get here plus x square. And here x square, then here x minus 1, x square into x square, we'll get here x power 4, x square into minus 1, we'll get here minus x square. And this for the multiplication. And I'll just remind for like simple monomial divided by monomial, twice x cube divided by x square. Here is 2 and here will be of course 1. 2 divided by 1, you will get here 2. X cube divided by x square, you will get here x to the power 3 minus x to the power 2. You will get here twice x to the power 1. So after this we can start the long division method. So this is here we are going to do like one polynomial will be divided by another binomial. So let's see the question now. We'll start the division right now. So here is the question. Now this is the polynomial and this will be divided by this x plus 5, that is a binomial. A polynomial is divided by a binomial. So before we start the division, we will check whether terms of the dividend are arranged according to the power of the variables. So let us see here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We have 8 terms in this dividend. Now are they arranged according to the power of their variables? Here 7, here 6, here 5, here 4, here 3, here 2, here 1, constant. Okay, fine. So it's already arranged now. And this is x plus 5. Okay, fine. Now when you arrange, please arrange in such a way that we start from big to small. That means decreasing order. So this is our dividend, this is divisor, and we are going to write the quotient here. So even in the quotient there will be so many terms. So how to find the first term of the quotient? We need to write a term here, we need to write something here. So how to find those, how to find that? Now let us see here. First, from this dividend, take out the term having the biggest power of the variable, of course the first one. So we'll write here first term of the quotient. I will write here twice x to the power 7. But in the divisor, which term has the highest power of variable? The first one only, x. So what we'll get now, we'll get here 2x to the power 7 minus 1 is 6. This twice x power 6 is the first term of the quotient. After that we will multiply twice x power 6 with x plus 5. We will multiply this term and this divisor. So what we'll get now, 2 into 1, 2. X to the power 6 into x, we'll get here x to the power 7 plus 2 into 5, 10, x power 6. these will be brought and written just below this dividend. So when we write, what is the first one? X power 2x power 7, so the power is 7, so we will write this one just below here so that we can make the like terms. 2x to the power 7. What is the next one? Plus this is 10x power 6, 13x power 6. Power is all same here, so 10x to the power 6. So normally in division, what do? We subtract in every step. So we are going to subtract these twice x power 7 plus 10x power 6 from here. So how will we subtract now? Positive becomes negative. Now we have to multiply by minus sign, plus becomes minus. So 2x power 7 minus 2x power 7, that means you will get here 0, so I can cancel it now. Next, 13x power 6 minus 10x power 6, so we'll get here 13 minus 10 means we'll get here 3, then x to the power 6. Then these terms we can bring it down, so plus 17x to the power 5 plus 13x to the power 4 plus 19x to the power 3 plus 22x square plus 12x plus 10. So now next step will be, we'll find the second term of the quotient. So from here you find out the term having the highest power of x, the first one. So I'll write here second term of the quotient will be 3x power 6 divided by this x. We'll get here 3x power 5. These 3 thrice x power 5 will be the, what is sign here? It's positive, so you will write here plus thrice x to the power 5. Next will be thrice x to the power 5 will multiply with x plus 5, then we'll get here thrice x to the power 6 plus 15x to the power 5. So this one will be brought here and write thrice x to the power 6 plus 15x to the power 5. It becomes negative, so we can cancel them. Then 17 minus 15 will get here 2x to the power 5 plus 13x to the power 4 plus 19x cube plus 22x square plus 12x plus 10. Then next we are going to find the third term of the quotient. So for this, from here we have to take out the term having the biggest power of x. Then next will be third term of the quotient, twice x to the power 5 divided by this x. We'll get here 2x to the power 4. So this 2x to the power 4 becomes the third term of the quotient. Now twice x to the power 4 will multiply with x plus 5, that means with the divisor. 2x to the power 5 plus 10x to the power 4, so 2x to the power 5 plus 10x to the power 4. Here minus, so we can cancel them. 13 minus 10 will get here 3x to the power 4 plus 19x cube plus 22x square plus 12x plus 10. Please don't get confused with this, it is just 2 only. Then next we are going to find the fourth term of the quotient. Fourth term of the quotient, we'll find it now. From here we'll take this thrice x to the power 4 divided by x. We'll get here thrice x to the power 3. Then this will be the thrice x to the power 3. Thrice x cube multiplies with x plus 5. We'll get here thrice x to the power 4 plus 15x cube. So thrice x power 4 plus 15x cube. So here negative, here also negative. So we'll get here now 19 minus 15, we'll get here 4x cube plus 22x square plus 12x plus 10. Next we are going to find the fifth term of the quotient. So from here we'll take this 4x cube divided by this x. We'll get here 4x square. This 4x square becomes the fifth term. The sign is positive, so we'll write here plus 4x square. 4x square multiplies with this divisor x plus 5, then 4x cube plus 20x square. So we'll write here 4x cube plus 20x square. Then here minus, then here minus. You can cancel them. 22 minus 20 will get here 2. Then here x square plus 12x plus 10. Okay, since the space is not available, I'm going to use one paper for finding the sixth term of the quotient. So I'll just use this one here. Sixth term of the quotient. We'll take this twice x square divided by x. What we'll get now? 2, then here x, that means twice x. This twice x will be written here, twice x. Then twice x will multiply with x plus 5. Then we'll get here 2x power 2 plus 10x. So we'll write here twice x square plus 10x. Then we'll subtract now. Then here negative, then here also negative. You can cancel it. Then we'll get a 12 minus 10 is 2. So twice x plus 10. Then we're going to find the first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh term of the quotient. We'll take this twice x, then from here x will get here 2. These 2 will be written here, and 2 will multiply with x plus 5. So we'll get here twice x plus 10. So this twice x plus 10 will be written here, then here minus, here also minus. If I subtract this, well, I'll get 0, here also 0. That means we can cancel in this way. You get 0 here. So this is how we divide using the long division method. This is a polynomial is divided by a binomial. Here this is the quotient and remainder is 0. So you can write here therefore quotient equal to what you get here, just right here. Thank you so much. I hope you have learned something today, and we'll see you in the next video again. Thank you.